Very good morning, class 5. Today I am back with you all with another new video of our new chapter, Profit and Loss. This chapter we have already started in the online class, but I have made this video for all those who have not attended any of the class. So this video will help them to understand the different questions related to profit and loss. The chapter Profit and Loss is related to all those who are there in the line of business, the one who are running different showrooms in the market, the one who have different shops in the market. So to understand what is a profit, what is a loss, so first I am going to explain you two prices. The first one is selling price. Selling price is that price at which any item is sold in the market. Like you must have gone to the different shops for shopping. The shopkeeper used to sell you the things at a price. So that price at which he used to sell you the thing, that price is called selling price. Price at which an item is sold. Now the next one is cost price, which we can understand it as an actual price. This is that price at which a shopkeeper has actually bought that particular item or product. So price at which an item is bought, that is the cost price, and the price at which the shopkeeper is going to sell the things, that is called the selling price. So these two definitions, these two terms should be clear to you. Cost price, the actual price; selling price, the price at which he is going to sell the things. Now let's understand. If the shopkeeper is going to sell the things at a higher price, means if the selling price is going to be high, greater than the cost price, so obviously he will have a profit. Suppose he is having anything of 10 rupee and he is selling that 10 rupee thing at a 15 rupees. So he is selling at a higher price. So the selling price is high. So whenever the selling price is high, the shopkeeper will have a profit. However, on the other hand, if selling price is less, means cost price is more, then he will have a loss. Suppose the same 10 rupee thing, he is selling at a lesser price, suppose at rupee 8, so he will have a loss. So I hope these four terms are clear to you. Selling price, the price at which an item is sold; cost price, the actual price; and if selling price is more, the shopkeeper will have a profit. And the fourth thing, if he is going to sell at a lesser price, mean the cost price is more, he will have a loss. So these four terms are going to be used in the complete chapter. So let us do a few questions. They will also help you to understand it more. The very first question, I have taken these questions from your own book. These are the examples. There is a DVD player costing rupees 1580 rupees, which was sold for rupees 1650. So from here you can see the cost price was this much, but it has been sold at a higher price. You can see here. So first they have told it that find whether it's a loss or a profit. So we can easily guess by looking at the SP, as it has been sold at a higher price, so there will be a profit. So how to calculate the profit? Profit will be calculated by subtracting the cost price from the selling price. So whenever we have the selling price more, we'll have a profit. So this way we are going to calculate the profit, SP minus CP. So let's put the values. SP is rupees 1650 subtracted by rupees 1580. So let's subtract these two. When you will subtract these two, you will get rupees 70. It means the shopkeeper who sold a DVD player, he will have a profit of 70 rupees after selling that DVD player. Let's take one more example. Another example which I have taken from your own book. By selling a sofa set. So in this chapter you will find all the questions are related to the shopkeepers, to the business, the one who are running a business. So by selling a sofa set for this much. So it means this is the selling price of a sofa. A shopkeeper earned rupees 650 as a profit. So I know the profit, I know the selling price also. So whenever we have a profit, it means selling price is more, and we have been told to calculate the cost price. So Profit means selling price more, cost price will be less. So let's calculate how to get the answer for the cost price. As I've just told you, whenever we have a profit, the selling price will be more, cost price will be less. So it means to calculate cost price, I have to do the subtraction. What I will do, I will subtract the profit from the SP. In this way, I will have the cost price. So let me put the values. I am given here, SP is given rupees 3,550. So let's put the value in the formula, and profit is given here rupees 650. So let's write it here. And now when you will subtract it, let me solve the subtraction in the right side. You will get 0, 0. Here you will have a 9 and 2. So it means the actual price which the shopkeeper has paid to buy that sofa set was rupees 2,900. And he sold it at a higher price. He sold it at 3,550 rupees. So he got a profit of almost 650 rupees. So I have taken only 2 examples from the book to make you understand. In this way you can have different questions to get the profit or to get the loss or to calculate the SP or to get the CP. Right? So this was just the introduction part, the very first exercise of the chapter, in which we have the different sums to calculate the CP, SP or profit or loss. Now let me give you introduction of the next topic, which is related to the next exercise. In this we are going to use these 2 formulas. In the previous we have done how to calculate profit or loss, but now we are going to understand how to calculate that profit percent or loss percent. So same way we have to do, but we have to apply the formula. As we know that whenever we used to sell the things, the profit or loss is always on the CP. So the formula for profit percent is profit over CP. And whenever we want an answer in percentage, we always used to multiply by 100. So that's why it's profit by CP into 100. And this is the symbol of a percentage. Whenever we want to calculate the answer in a percentage, we used to multiply it with 100. Same way, if I want to calculate the loss percent, loss is always also on the CP. So it's loss by CP multiplied by 100. And you will get the answer in percentage. So let's have another question related to these 2 formulas. Again, very easy. So let's take this question. A book is bought for rupees 36. So it means this is the CP of the book, cost price of the book. But the same book has been sold at a higher price at rupees 40. So we have been told to calculate the profit percentage. So to get the profit percentage, we have to apply this formula. It means I should know how much is the profit. So let's first calculate the profit here. Profit means SP minus CP. So SP is already given that the book has been sold at rupees 40. So I will subtract 40 with 36 rupees. 36 is the actual price, the cost price of the book. So I will have here how much profit? I will have only rupee 4. So the shopkeeper has got a profit of only rupees 4. So I have the profit here with me, but I have to calculate profit percentage. So let's apply the formula of profit percentage. So it is, as we know, profit is always on the CP and it will be multiplied by 100. So let's put the values in the formula. 4 is the profit and how much is the CP? 36 multiplied by 100. Now I can do my cuttings. We will directly cut at the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So you will have 100 by 9%, or you can further convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So in this way, what we have just done, first we have calculated the profit by subtracting SP with CP. Then we have applied the formula of profit percentage and we have the final answer as 100 by 9% as the profit percent. So it means the shopkeeper who has sold a book, he has got a profit of 100 by 9%. Let's take one more question from the same chapter. Now we have the cost price of a table. So it means there is a shop of furniture. There are different things related to the furniture. So the cost price of one of the table which is there in the shop is rupees 600 and it is sold at a lesser price. You can see the selling price is less, the cost price was more. So it means we are having a loss here and we have been told to calculate loss percent. So let's first calculate the loss. Loss means as CP is more, so I will subtract SP from CP. Okay. So what is the CP here? 600 rupees subtracted by 576 rupees. So after subtraction, what we are going to get here? We will have 24 rupees loss. It means the shopkeeper has suffered a loss of 24 rupees after selling that table. But we have to find the loss percent. So let's apply the formula. Loss percent means loss over CP multiply by 100. Whenever we want the answer in percent, we used to multiply by 100. So let's put the values. It's 24 by CP is 600 into 100. I can directly do the cuttings. 100 ones are 100. 100 6 are 600 and then 6 1 the 6, 6 4s are 24. So it means the shopkeeper has suffered a loss of 4% in selling that table. So these are the few questions which I have explained here. I hope these questions will help you a lot in doing the exercises of profit and loss chapter. Okay children, have a good day. We'll meet you in the next week with the new video. Take care. God bless you all.